nakakilala sa akin dito sa Tampa? Okay, so maraming hindi. Yung hindi nakakilala, I came here 2015. I got married to an American boy. Alright, so before I came here, I was in Dubai. Ang trabaho ko doon, hindi pokpok, oy. Vicente. I was working in the band. I'm like singing. But before that, nagtatrabaho ako sa Philippine Airlines. Yeah. Yung maiksi pa yung buhok, I was a flight attendant. Diba? Yung calling the attention to all passengers bound to Tampa, the plane is about to crash. For those who know how to swim, please proceed to the right way. For those who don't know how to swim, please follow after me. Our Father, who art in heaven. And then after that, syempre na-discover yung bakla. They got me to the phone operator, yung, welcome to Citibank. To access your bank account or credit card, press 1. And ganyan. If you want to talk to our customer service, press 2. If your face is oily, press powder. If you're a born-again Christian, press the Lord. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Tsaka, boring yung job na yon, bumalik na lang ako sa Philippine Airlines. Tsaka there is one event na hindi ko talaga malilimutan. Before pa ng pandemic, of course. Siyempre, calling the attentions of all passengers ulit, bound to this time iba na yung sinasabi ko. Calling the attentions to all passengers, especially sa mga pasaherong Pilipino. Sa mga pasaherong Pilipino, paalala lang po, ang unan ay hindi inuuwi. Nagkikinig talaga sila. Dila ay kusukik souvenir o? Nakuha ni Squall sa una. Itago ni Bayot. Uy, ilindot ang kuwanda nila. Giapi lang sulang kutsara sa ano? Well, sa mga na hindi nakaintindi, sabi ko maganda po siya. Okay, I will have you soon. I would like to thank Ate Lorraine of Filipiniana, of course, A3 Productions, Ate Aurora Davidson, and Emil Cruz for inviting me here. And of course, to all the AGs, yung mga friends ko sa Facebook, they say, nag-ano ako sa AGs, we have a good time, nag-hard na kami. They are very humble. If you are with them, para silang hindi big star. At saka they are so warm. So, kaya nga sabi nila, uy, bakit hindi ka nakapapicture sa AGs? Sabi ko, hindi ko na-feel nung kasikatan nila pag magkasama kayo. Pero pag nakita mo yung YouTube videos nila na ang dami, goosebump ka. There's one more song I would like to dedicate to you guys. This is an old hits from Emote muna ako ngayon. Alright? At saka ang dami nating handa. We have a surprise guest! Buti lang hindi ko na-post sa Facebook kanina. It's gonna be one of our Filipino pride. Here's a song from Rosel Nava. I would like to greet happy birthday to Cici Swan, Micaela, and of course to I want you to stand, girl. My friend in Dubai, Miss Ashley Loreto. Can you please stand? I want them to see your gorgeous face. Yeah, she's the one. Oh, yung bayad mo sa akin kanina ha. Sabi niya, may special mention mo ako bakla. Bayan ha? Here's a song. Here's a song from a song.